Tim Walling with SC Legal Carry. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. We've got our Hudson H9 slide. We're going to install our optic on it. First thing we want to do is make sure we don't have any trash or anything down inside these holes where we're going to screw this in. Make sure they are nice and clean in there. We'll let those dry for just a minute. And this is the optic we're going to put on. I purchased this slide online on Gun Brokers. You can find these just over $200. We're going to put the Holosun HS507K on it. You order your slide cut for your optic that you are going to use on your firearm. Here is the optic we're going to put on. And they actually did a great job cutting this. It is a perfect fit. Let's see which screws we're going to use to put this on. Drop the screw in there. See how much overhang we got. Let's put it right on the side of the firearm like that. Looks like those holes are definitely deep enough. There's already Loctite on here. I am going to add just a little bit more. Let's just double check and make sure that these screws come with this Holosun. Yes, we do have the right size screws. So let's get a little Loctite put on these. Here's our Loctite. There we go. Took a little while to get it to come out, didn't it? All right. Right there. And let's just center these up. Make sure we get them right into the holes. Yes, we did. Center our optic up. Push it down nice and tight. Got our screws in position. Let's begin to tighten our screws down. All right. Great job with that optic cut, isn't it? That thing is absolutely perfect on there. So we've changed all the internals on the slide, switched them out. Put a little bit of grease on here. Let's put a little bit of oil on that barrel. Let's put a little bit of this in our slide. Barrel back in the gun. Now, you have to make sure you get your guide rod to drop in the hole there. If not, you'll be extremely frustrated. I like to slide lock it, drop this back into position, and then press it down. Drop your slide. Trigger functions and works. And one of the things I'll do to test the trigger is an eraser, generally flat on the end. We'll charge the gun up. We'll slide our eraser down into the barrel of the gun, and then we'll squeeze the trigger. You see the pencil is moving, so the firing pin is coming forward, and we'll be hitting the primer. There we go. We have got our Hudson H9 with our slide cut for a Holosun optic. I think it is a perfect fit on this gun. I like how this Holosun optic is almost completely flush with the sides of the gun. Very nice look to it. I'm not going to run any actual iron sights on this gun. I'm going strictly off the optic on it, but you could install suppressor height sights on here if you wanted to. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearms. Till next time, folks, take care.